Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, I'm Mela Mendones, 39 years old, from Daraga Albay, married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 2 kids, 15 years old and 12 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 5 siblings.
And your order in the family?
I'm 4th child.
Okay, tell me about your educational background.
I'm college undergraduate.
Why did you not finish your college?
Because to focus my children to taking care.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No?
Do you have local experience here in the Philippines?
Yes, I have 3 years experience for 2 families.
And your duties are?
My duties are cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing, and taking care of children.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, trustworthy, honest, and patient.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No?
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes. Cesarean section way back 2021.
Why do you want to work abroad?
To support my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No?
Now give me your idea, how can you take care of other children and children with tantrums?
I will talk to them calmly.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Their future employer, I promise to be a good worker. I can assure you I'm hardworking and honest. If you have a children, I love them as my own. I promise to finish my contract. Thank you so much.
Thank you.